Many savvy market watchers are asking themselves whether they should buy Bitcoin this year. Bitcoin surged to a record high on January 6, 2021, only 2 days after its biggest single-day drop in months. Consider these points before padding your portfolio with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been on a roll, but why? Institutional buyers in search of a hedge against inflation are heightening demand. Bitcoin was designed so there's a finite supply, while central banks such as the Federal Reserve can increase the money supply by printing more. The value of the dollar versus foreign currencies has gone down, and there remain expectations for a struggling dollar in 2021. More speculators are buying Bitcoin, and it's becoming increasingly easy for them to purchase it. The price of Bitcoin has fallen at least 25% each year since 2013, from a high point reached earlier that year. While buying Bitcoin may result in fantastic gains, wild swings in the price of Bitcoin are common, making it a high-risk asset. Some prefer a less volatile means of acquiring alternative assets to diversify their holdings. That's where gold and other precious metals can come in. Acquiring precious metals can offer many advantages, including: precious metals have been around for centuries, while Bitcoin is a relatively new phenomenon. Precious metals are tangible assets, whereas Bitcoin is a digital asset. Gold and other precious metals are an established vehicle for storing wealth. Unlike gold, Bitcoin isn't viewed as a safe haven. Bitcoin can still be a hedge against inflation and geopolitical uncertainty, yet it could be wise for an owner of Bitcoin to consider shifting at least some of their crypto profits to a physical hedge like gold to diversify their portfolio. In fact, U.S. Money Reserve enables you to buy precious metals with Bitcoin funds. Gold and other precious metals can also be put into a self-directed precious metals IRA, enabling you to save for retirement. U.S. Money Reserve can help you transfer your Bitcoin into U.S. dollars to contribute to an IRA that holds precious metals. Put your Bitcoin profits to work for you. Call today to speak with one of our knowledgeable account executives. Click the link in the description to download your free Precious Metals IRA information kit. It's full of everything you need to know about getting started on your self-directed Precious Metals IRA today.